The KV16M Motorsport wiring ECU is built on the race-proven KV16 ECU platform with additional flexibility and reliability through utilising a 136-way Deutsch Autosport connector system. The KV16M has 16 injector and 12 ignition outputs, and injectors can also be staged sequentially on an 8-cylinder application. All unused injector and ignition outputs can be repurposed for other applications. It can support up to 4 drive-by-wire throttles and has dual onboard Bosch LSU 4.9 lambda controllers. It has dual 100 MHz processors, 500 megabytes of RAM, and can log 32 megabytes of data with speeds between 1 and 500 Hz. The 4-channel oscilloscope allows sampling at 100,000 samples a second and can be used for crank, cam, or any other speed sensor input. Additional hardware includes an onboard 3-axis G sensor and barometric sensor. The KV16M has 14 digital inputs, providing frequency and switch-based inputs to the ECU. These inputs have a high level of configurability, allowing easy interface to all sensor types. Digital inputs 1 to 8 can be used to measure frequency, while all channels can accept a switched input. Digital inputs 1 to 4 can be used for reading camshaft angle for VVT control functionality. The KV16M has 16 auxiliary outputs with a wide range of driver types to suit all applications. These drivers are suitable for controlling relays, resistive and inductive loads, stepper motors, DC servo motors, and electronic throttles. All outputs are short circuit and overcurrent protected. The KV16M has 24 analog input channels sampled using high-resolution 12-bit analog to digital converters with a 0 to 5 volt input range. All channels support ratiometric and absolute 3-wire based sensors such as map, throttle position, and pressures. Channels 7 to 12 also support the MR 2-wire sensors such as engine temperature, inlet air temperature with switchable 1000 ohm pull-up resistor control. Wheel speed sensors are able to be wired directly to the ECU for features such as traction control. This ECU supports dual knock control using inputs from a piezoelectric sensor. Each knock input is differential for improved noise rejection that allows for individual cylinder knock detection. The ECU can automatically provide individual cylinder ignition trimming based on the knock status. And as with all Emtron ECUs, the software is open and available to all users. All engine, vehicle, and motorsport functions are ready to use simply by turning them on in the configuration setup menu.